Macho Man into the massive heart attack.
Want to play frisbee in the rain?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. It's like Woodstock.
Naked Frisbee! It's really bringing on the thunder.
That's all I'm thinking about.
Yeah, someone else said it.
Ryan, unfortunately, we've seen you naked once already this week.
Last night.
How do you pants down your front yard?